In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you can't find purchased games on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is ensure you're signing into the correct PSN account where you purchased the game. And once you're here, what you want to do is scroll up and go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then you want to select users and accounts. Now, once you're here, you want to wait for our account to load, so scroll on over, and then you want to go to payment and subscriptions. Now, once you're here, you'll see transaction history to review it. And then what I recommend you do is go up to the start date and change the year and put it back a few years so you know you aren't going to miss it. Then you want to press continue, and this is going to show all of the transactions you've made on this PSN account. So if you don't see the game here, that means you purchased it on a different account, and in that case, you'll have to sign into it and find it that way. Well, let's say you see your game here. The next thing you want to do is go back again. We're going to go to account. And then from here, you want to scroll down to other and go to console sharing and offline play. And I recommend you have this enabled on the account. Then what you want to do is go back and we're going to go to restore licenses for downloaded content you're not seeing. And let's go to restore. Now, once this is finished restoring, it should only take a couple seconds. The next thing you want to do is back out of here. And then you want to go back to the home menu. And once you're in the home menu, scroll on over to your game library. And this is going to show all of your installed content. It wouldn't be here, but have a look at the top and select your collection, and you should be able to find your purchased games there. And there's also PlayStation Plus where you can find those. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.